Since 1910, Alfa Romeo has had one singular obsession, the marriage of emotion and engineering. But today, they've taken that obsession to a place few ever expected, the open sea. Earlier this month, at the 2026 Brussels Motor Show, the world stopped to look at this. It's called the Giulia Quadrifoglio Luna Rossa. It isn't just a new trim level, it is the most extreme, the rarest, and arguably the most beautiful iteration of the Giulia sedan ever conceived. In a world of aggressive, overstyled super sedans, Alfa has chosen a different path, one forged in partnership with the Luna Rossa Prada Pirelli sailing team. But with only 10 units produced globally, is this just a collector's dream, or truly the greatest sedan on Earth? Let's find out. Let's talk about that silhouette. The Giulia has always been a looker, but the Luna Rossa edition elevates it to high art. Created under Alfa's new bodygaffeurisserie customization division, the exterior is finished in a hand-painted, iridescent metallic gray. It mimics the hull of the AC-75 racing yacht, shifting its hue as light dances across the bodywork. It's contrasted by a two-tone livery. The bonnet, roof, and rear deck are finished in what Alfa calls boat deck black. But the most shocking detail. For the first time in over 110 years, the iconic Quadrifoglio clover and the Alfa Romeo badges have traded their traditional backgrounds for a striking deep red. It's a subtle nod to the partnership, but it changes the entire personality of the car. It's no longer just a heritage piece, it's a modern weapon. Beauty is nothing at Alfa Romeo without Meccanica dell'Emozione, the mechanics of emotion. And here, the engineering is literally blown in by the wind. Look at this dual-profile rear wing. Supported by two central pylons, it is a direct structural tribute to the foils of the Luna Rossa yacht. On a boat, these foils create lift to pull the hull out of the water. Alfa's engineers took that exact profile and inverted it. Instead of lifting you up, it sucks you down. The result? A staggering 140 kilograms of downforce at 300 kilometers per hour. That is 5 times the downforce of the standard Quadrifoglio. Combined with new carbon fiber front canards, extended side skirts, and a revised underbody that exploits the ground effect, the Luna Rossa achieves a near-perfect 40-60 aerodynamic balance. It's not just a sedan anymore. It's a ground-effect racer in a tailored suit. Underneath that carbon fiber bonnet sits the soul of the machine, the 2.9-liter 90-degree twin-turbo V6. Derived from Ferrari's engineering brilliance, it delivers 520 horsepower and 600 newton-meters of torque to the rear wheels. Interestingly, because of that massive new wing, the top speed has actually dropped slightly, from 307 km/h down to 300 km/h, about 186 mph. Why? Because Alfa prioritized cornering stability over raw straight-line numbers. Through the corners, this car is transformative. It uses a mechanical self-locking differential, a piece of hardware refined from the legendary Giulia GTA, to ensure that power is never wasted. It's more agile, more precise, and more communicative than any M3 or C64 could ever hope to be. All 10 units of the Giulia Quadrifoglio Luna Rossa were sold before the public even saw the car in Brussels. It is a ghost, a Luna Rossa, red moon, that most of us will only ever see in photos. But it represents something bigger. As the current Giulia prepares to stay in production through 2027, this model proves that internal combustion still has a place for the true Alfisti. So is it the most beautiful sedan in the world? In an era of screens and plastic, the Luna Rossa offers us something tangible: sailcloth, carbon fiber, and a Ferrari-tuned V6. It is a masterpiece of Italian industrial culture. It's not just a car. It's a statement that on land or at sea, Italy still knows how to make the world stop and stare. Thanks for watching. If you had the choice, would you take this over a G-Tam? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exclusive metal.